Plywood information. Plywood is a type of engineered wood made by gluing several thin layers of wood veneers together with the grains of adjacent layers oriented perpendicular to each other. This process gives plywood its characteristic strength, stability, and durability. The thickness of plywood can vary from a few millimeters to several centimeters, and the number of layers can range from 3 to more than 25. The most common types of wood used in plywood are birch, pine, spruce, and fir. However, other species like oak, mahogany, and maple can also be used. Plywood is widely used in construction, furniture making, packaging, and other industries due to its versatility, strength, and affordability. Some common applications of plywood include roofing, subfloors, wall sheathing, cabinets, shelves, and decorative paneling. Plywood can be classified into different grades based on its quality and intended use. The most common grading systems are the American Plywood Association, APA, and the International Hardwood Product Association, IHPA. These grading systems take into account factors such as the number of defects, the type of wood used, and the thickness of the veneer. Overall, plywood is a popular building material that offers a wide range of benefits, including strength, stability, versatility, and affordability. Its many applications and different grades make it a versatile material for a wide range of projects.